the city's been very impressed with GIRMA's responsiveness. They were on top of the claim immediately. They sent resources down to try to mitigate the losses, which could have been extensive if they hadn't done that.
I've never seen the response from the carrier that I saw with GIRMA. This thing hit on Wednesday afternoon, and the contractor was here Friday morning. So we've got 3 buildings downtown. We lost 3 roofs. They did the protection damage, got the roofs covered. They cleaned up the streets. They took the debris off the street. They cleaned the streets. They got it out of the way. They made it where we could get the roads, access to the roads, and people could get through. And just unparalleled, top of the line response that I've ever seen before.
We put GIRMA's response to this particular claim, a significant claim, up against anything I've ever experienced.